Da-dum, 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 dum, dum. Welcome back to my channel, loves, and look what we have today. A very disgusting under the sink cabin reorganization declutter video. I bet you didn't think I had such mess in my house, did you? Well, you're wrong. This is downright disgusting, and today we are getting rid of this mess. And
Hey loves, before starting, I wanted to let you know that this video is in collaboration with some other ladies here on YouTube. We all have different niches, so we wanted to join together to create a playlist for you all. Now, if you are coming over from one of those sweet ladies channels, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video and comment. Please comment down below what are your niche and what do you like about this video, and I will chat with you down in the comment section. Thank you again for coming over. Thank you for watching, and let's jump into this video.
let's see, I also picked up this basket from Ross, and guys, look at this. Oh my god, I got this from the Dollar Tree, and when I seen this, I was like, you have to get it. This little, I can't even get it up right. What is it called? Over the cabin tower bar. I'm going to hang maybe my towels or maybe something else. Just stay tuned, you will see. But this thing right here, cabin towel bar, it expands. So that is the shorter version of it, and that is the longer version of it. So you cannot beat that for $1. Yeah. So yeah, let's get into taking everything out, wiping everything out, and decluttering this hot mess that I have here.
Now guys, I know if you're watching this, you're probably saying to yourself, she is a hoarder. She got all those vase. Yes ma'am, I have all those flower vase from old arrangements that I used to get, and I've let go some of my flower vases, but it's still some that I like to keep around the house because on a bi-weekly base I go out and get my own flowers, so I like to have options of which vase to get. I also have a coffee Keurig, but I like to keep this coffee pot just in case the Keurig want to go out one day and I need some coffee. Your girl got a backup plan. Now comment down below if you have a Keurig machine, a coffee pot, or you drink tea. A rule of thumb for me whenever I'm organizing is to buy containers. These containers came from the Dollar Tree. They are very sturdy and good, clear containers to keep around the house for any reason. I like to house whatever product that I have. I like to keep it in a clear container or some other type of container, so I know exactly what I have when I'm getting low on that item, when I need to refill it, and when I need to purchase more. So what you see me doing here is just put it in the dish detergent. I also had another bottle that I did off camera, and I also put my Mr. Clean erasers in that container, which are stackable containers. And this polka dot vase, I put my dishwasher tablets in. I already had this polka dot vase, so girl, I had to reuse it. That's why I recycle my items. Alrighty, loves, we are coming down to the final minutes, and I just wanted to say that after I washed the cabin with soap and water and a little vinegar, thanks to Kim and her many methods, tips of cleaning with vinegar, the cabins wasn't doing it for me. So I applied this leftover marble paper that I had. I applied it, so it could look a little bit refreshed, but not exactly how I want it. But that's okay. Only the person is gonna see under this cabin is me. But anyway, this is the makeover look so far. Can we get a whoop whoop? This is the final reveal of this under sink cabinet reveal organization video. I am very satisfied with the overall results. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Don't forget to check out those other latest playlists after this video. Don't forget to subscribe and look forward to my fall video coming out soon and a vlog. Until next time, I will catch you down in the comment section. Take care. Be safe. Mwah. Bye.